Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this lecture where we'll cover the basic of string indexing and slicing in Python, essentially concepts for string manipulation. So indexing allows us to access individual characters in a string by specifying their position with square brackets. Python uses zero-based index, meaning the first character of string is as position 0. We can also use negative indexing to count from the end of the string, where -1 is the last character. So for example, if I have this string or my string called hello world, then if I want to print the my string index 0, we'll get the letter H, which is this letter here. This is the position 0. It's the first letter of the string. Then we can do, for example, print my string -1, and we'll get the letter D, which is the last letter of the string. And this is what we call the reverse indexing. Slicing, on the other hand, let us access a portion of the string. The syntax is string start stop, where the start is the start index inclusive and stop is the ending index exclusive. We can omit the start and stop slice from the beginning or to the end of the string. For example, if I have this string here, then if I want to print the my string to column, we'll get this result here. Because what happened, Python take this slice of the string, so from the position 2 all the way to the end. The same way, if I do print my string to the 3, it will take all the way from the character number 3 all the way to the end, inclusive the D. Now, if I want to print the slice of the string from 3 to position 6, I will get the DEF, which is this one. So if we count 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the letter D, and then E, number 4 and 5, which is the exclusive of the string. The step size. We can specify a step size in slicing using string, start, stop, and step, which tell Python how many characters to skip over. A common use is reverse indexing a string by using a step size of -1. If you are having this string, for example, then if you want to make a step size, what we can do is the start is empty, the end is empty, and the step size of 2. If we want to print, we'll get these letters here, A, C, E, G, I, Q. So basically what happened here, Python is taking a step size of 2. It jumped one letter or 2 letters here in the string and print the remaining. Now, if I want to run this, I will get the string reversed because I use -1, which basically will play a role and give us the reverse string. As a summary, indexing and slicing are powerful tools in Python for accessing and manipulating strings. Indexing is used to retrieve a single character, while slicing is for extracting the substrings. Step size enhances slicing by allowing to skip character or even reverse the string. These fundamentals are widely used in Python programming, from simple script to complex application. Understanding them will help you to handle text data efficiently. Thank you for watching and see you on the next lecture.